Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Want to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video. And guess what? We'll talk. Well, hey family, happy Saturday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I hope everybody is having a really good day. I wanted to stop by and just show you all three of the necklaces that I made for a sorority sister. So anytime they're custom and they're a whole set like what these are, I usually put them in this box. I have found these boxes on Amazon, and I'll put the link down there. When was this? Maybe about a year ago. And I was like, okay, well, with the necklaces, I'm not going to put the necklaces in a bag because that just kind of looks tacky. And then I have some other boxes that I use for like some other custom pieces, but these boxes are too small for the necklaces. So I like the necklaces to just be kind of laid out and you can see the box is long enough. This one is only good for like the bracelets and the earrings. And if it's a necklace that's maybe on a leather cord or some type of cord where I can just kind of, you know, fold it and it fits into this box, I'll do that. But if not, I'll use these boxes right here, especially if it's a set or if it's like one of the really nice necklaces, because sometimes, you know, people might want to give them as gifts or something. And I just like the presentation of it because, you know, the necklace, I don't want it in bags and stuff. But anyway, with this particular box, it has the magnetic closure, and that's what I like about it. So when it folded, the only thing I don't like is you see it holds fingerprints. So if I wipe this down really good, it'll get rid of the fingerprints. You almost got to wear gloves with these because, you know, it'll hold the fingerprint stains. So before I give them to her, I'll make sure that the box is like wiped down really good. So she could actually take the boxes and she could wrap them if she wants to, or she can just go ahead and put a nice ribbon on them because it's already a really nice box and it stays closed. But inside of this one, did I show you guys this one? I don't think I showed you this one. But inside they get a little inspirational card. So I will put the card in here. On the front of it, I'll put that little sticker right there. And then in the inside, I'll write just a little note, a little inspirational something. So this goes in the inside of it. So this is in here. And then the necklaces, not necklace, but the earrings are in a plastic bag. The bracelet is in a plastic bag. And then the necklace will just lay in the box. So I only put this, like, I guess it's called craft color paper in the box. And I let people know you can change this paper out and literally put whatever you want to put in the bottom of it. Any color tissue. You could use low fiber fillers. You can use whatever you want to use. But for me to you, this is how it comes, right? So that she can just change this to the colors. Take this out and put the cushion, not the cushion, but the tissue colors. So she can put two different colors in here if she wants to. She can put white. She can do whatever she wants to do, or she can just leave it like this. But I did use one of the beads that I got from Tamila right here. And I think it matches really well with these colors. So it's a whole little set. So you got the bracelet, the necklace, and then the little earrings right here. So I think this came out like really cool. I'm loving, you know, the big bead, how it just matches like really well with this. So this is one of them. I think the other one I showed you guys already, but this is this one. And this is one of the boxes. And this is, you'll be holding your fingerprints. You almost got to wear some gloves with these things. And this one is the polka dot. So again, it's a little card. And these are the little earrings. Just a cute little pair of dainties. This one is the bracelet that comes in the bag. And then this is the necklace. So this is, these beads I got from Tamila. So these match really well with the necklace. And then we got the little gold 8mm beads. And then we went ahead and this is the necklace. And again, this might look tacky for right here, but it's up to whoever the person is to fill it in like they want to fill it in, because they might want to put different colors or whatever. So I just go ahead and put the bag in. And I was thinking I was going to do, you know, like the little filler where you put a whole bunch of that. I don't like all that though, but I just figure, you know, well, for this particular situation, because I know she want to use different colors. So this is this one. Put that in there. Go ahead and close this one. And then this was the third one. I think I showed you guys this one already. I think we made this one on camera. Yeah. So this one we made on camera. And we got the earrings. And this was the little bracelet we came up with. And then we got the necklace in here. So this is like the whole little set. And then the card. And we'll put that in there. And this is the boxes. So we did 6 total. And this is the last 3 right here. So we'll be sure to give these to her tomorrow. I think they all came out pretty good. One of them was really giving me a headache. I think it was not this one. I think it might have been not this one either. Probably this one. Anyway, one of them was giving me like a real headache. I had to take that thing apart 3 different times. And the reason why I took it loose 3 different times is because I didn't like the way the beads were matching. The beads they just didn't match. And for some reason, yeah, this one. So this one, I took this loose 3 different times. And it was because I was matching different colors with the necklace, like white beads, clear beads. Like I tried a variety of different beads to try to match them all good before I even chose this big brown bead for the necklace. And I had the necklace just like this without this big brown bead. And I was like, that don't pop enough for me. So I need something to make it pop. So I grabbed one of these big beads right here. So I was like, okay, well, I think that'll work. So the third time, 3 times, 1, 2, 3. I took it loose 3 times. The 4th time it worked. So I started working on this one yesterday. And I was like, okay, I just can't do this. It's giving me a headache. So I came back this morning to finish it. And then this morning, praise God, it all just kind of came together. And I was like, okay, well, why you just couldn't do that yesterday? I don't know what was going on, but it just, for some reason, that's even like with the bracelet. The bracelet, I couldn't even get the bracelet right. I was like, oh, shoot, hold on a second. But my thought was, if there was no pressure, you know, like to get them done, of course, everything would have came out perfect. Everything would have been pretty. Everything would have been, you know, like yesterday, everything would have been ready. But all 3 of them are ready now. So this is complete. So this is all 6. And we'll hand these off to her tomorrow at service. And then that way she can wrap the boxes, or she can wrap them, or just, I would wrap them. I wouldn't do them just like this. I would just wrap them. But she can do whatever she want to do with them. But this is what I usually do. So like if you make like big necklaces that are big bowl type necklaces, how do you guys ship yours? For those of you who make big chunky necklaces, how do you ship them? How not necessarily, yeah, ship them, and how do you give them as gifts? Do you use boxes like this? Do you package them in plastic? Like, what do you do?